This impressionist painting by British artist Arthur Deal was composed in 1920. Today we will discuss how to do office hours on Google Meet, which is actually a very simple process, although it does require a microphone at the least and a video camera at the best. So we will be doing office hours for the foreseeable future as a way to meet with students and parents, for them to come to us and discuss their problems or difficulties and receive some guidance. We can walk them through problems, discuss the books we are reading, and clarify our expectations for assignments. To open up office hours in Google Meet is very simple. You merely go to your Google Classroom or Google Email and select the Google Meet app among this list of apps. Here is Google Meet, and I can start a meeting. Darren Office. Click Continue. Before I join the meeting, there's three things I have to do. Ensure that a microphone is connected. I will click Allow, and I can allow my webcam to be connected. If I don't have a webcam, that's okay. I could just use voice. So now these are connected, and I see a little preview of myself. I make sure that things look okay in the background. There's no trash that I want to get out of the way. I want things to look fairly professional. And I click Join Now. When I click Join Now, I am given this joining info, which I can post onto Google Classroom so that students can find me. I can also add people and invite them to this meeting right away. But let's just copy the joining info for now. And I'm going to click Allow my webcam so the webcam comes on. I copied that info. I can post it right here on Google Classroom. There's my geometry class, and my geometry students can either click this link or they can use a cell phone and dial this number to join this meeting. They don't need video, they just need audio, and I just need audio. I like having the video because it allows more interpersonal interaction, even though I look fairly two-dimensional on this screen. So that's what you need to know. If you have any questions, contact me and let me know.